Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up PKHex. First, you will need to download the PKHex application from its official GitHub repository. Make sure to get the most recent stable release for optimal performance and compatibility. You will also need a computer running Windows, Mac OS, or Linux, and a way to access your game's saved data. This initial step is crucial for a smooth experience. The next critical step involves getting your game's saved data onto your computer. This typically requires a console with custom firmware installed, allowing you to use a save manager application. You'll then extract your desired game's save file, usually to an SD card or a USB drive. Once extracted, simply transfer that one file from your storage device to your computer. Now that your save file is on your computer, open the PKHex application. You will then load your extracted save file directly into the program. PKHex provides a user-friendly interface to modify various aspects of your game, such as Pokémon stats, items, and even event flags. Take your time to make all desired changes carefully, ensuring everything is exactly as you want it. After making all your desired modifications, save the edited file within PKHex. This will create a new, modified save file. Next, transfer this updated save file back to your console's SD card or USB drive. Finally, use your console's custom firmware and save manager to re-inject the modified save data back into your game. Enjoy your customized gaming experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.